Okay, we're back. Day 2 of the Cefiro teardown. Where are we at? Made some okay progress the other day. Continue going with the engine bay. We'll just remove this body harness from in here. The strap bar, tower brace things. We have to remove this too, this cover. Kind of sucks to leave it, remove it. You know, it's good to keep things some original, but like it's going to look so good having this all painted and everything, and it looks just so ratty to have a nice clean engine bay, and then have this still in that disgusting color. And it's a little bit torn here from when we had the old intercooler piping, so yeah, that's got to go. What I would like to do is actually just push it outside so I can work in the nice weather today, but kind of by myself, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to push it back in, but I have done it before, so it should be okay. That way, because my garage is so small, I can start to remove the door trims and remove the door handles and the key locks, because they'll have to come out, and remove all the other trimming as well. Like these, I guess, will have to come out. I don't know how they're going to come out. I have to have a look. It's a learning process, so yeah, you'll come with me. Rear vision mirrors will come off, and then if I push it forward, I'll be able to remove the rear bar and get to all the back lights and everything, and then that should really be it. I guess these will have to come out as well. I know they can be an absolute pain, I've heard. But yeah, we'll get to that. So let's get started. Okay, next job, let's remove this under bonnet cover thing, basically held in with these clips. Okay, finally I have pushed the car forward, and wow, I haven't seen this area of the garage in a very long time. So yeah. Key now is we'll just remove the rear bar, and then I think I have to take the exhaust off because it's hanging on the ground right now. It's going to go on a trailer, that's going to have to come off. So yeah, let's keep removing things. More progress. Exhaust is out, rear bar is off, so I think we'll just continue doing the rear. It's really dark in here, but yeah. So I'm just starting to remove this boot seal here, and ding dong, we got some rust. It doesn't look good either. It's yeah, look, it's getting worse. There's a bit more up around here as well. Yeah, so I think there's going to be a few more surprises like that, but all good. Hopefully we can do something about that when we come to respraying it. Yeah, it looks like water just kind of gets trapped in there, and that's what's caused that. So, oh well, we'll keep going here, removing everything from the back of the car. There's one tool that's kind of come in handy. It's this little clipper tool here. This is like amazing for removing all these little interior clips. These ones right here. Slide that in and try not to break it. Just like that. Nice. Okay, one tail light out. Nightmare. I don't know if this... Alright, there's a little light there. I don't know if this is from the factory. This like sealant thing that's here, it's just like everywhere and it was so hard to get out. You know when you're pulling something out and you don't want it to break? That's what it was like. So let's pull this one out and I'll show you what it kind of looks like, or how hard it is. That's basically pulling the whole car back. And get ready for the gooiness. Seriously. Watch this. Woo! Great. I guess that's going to have to be removed and probably new stuff put on there just to stop any water getting in. But taillights are all out. Well, this is a pretty momentous occasion. The Cefiro is outside for the first time in like 12 months. And it is a mess. Oh dear. What have I done? Still so much more to do as well, and it's already just a nightmare. But yeah. Hey Google, stop. You're gonna get me a bloody copyright strike, mate. Yeah, so. Oh, yeah. Not much to say really, but it's outside at least. I'd like to give it a bit of a hose down, but there's no real point. And I mean, I'll remove a lot of the seals as well, so water's just gonna get into places that I don't want. But yeah. It's getting there. Still a lot to go. Still just got to remove this trimming from here, the mirrors, and all this too. So I don't know, what time is it now? I got to clean this garage out. It is just a mess. I think that's what I'm going to do right now, actually. It's 3 o'clock, so yeah, we got some more time. Good thing about Norway in the summer is long daylight hours. I thought it was going to be sunny today, but it's overcast. That's so typical. But yeah, whatever. We got just parts laying everywhere here. So yeah, keep going. I have to make some room because hopefully getting the motor, and the motor's gonna have to come in here. I don't know where it's gonna fit right now. I don't know. I've got some space up here in the roof where there's like the front bar and the side skirts. The rear bar is sitting over there. I don't know where that's gonna go. This is fun. But yeah, I knew what I was in for, so let's keep cracking. Okay, garage is all clean. Moved a few things around, basically just trying to make space for the engine so we can come in here somewhere. This is more stuff to go into this, and that can go up into the roof up there. The gearbox will maybe move that around, I don't know. But let's have a look at the car. So yeah, okay, car is still outside. There's still a few more things I want to do with the interior, get that done. And I can just push it back in, I guess. One thing I wanted to show you was this rear spoiler that I bought. It's actually meant for an R32. It's an R32 N1 spoiler, just a fiberglass copy. But I don't know. It definitely won't fit. Like, it's too narrow, so it'll actually need to be cut and extended. But let's have a look how it looks on there. Yeah, I don't know. Could look cool. Or just leave it without, maybe just give it nice clean lines. I don't know, let me know what you think on that one. So yeah, good that we're able to clean up. That is an amazing feeling, to finally be able to clean this mess. Still tripping over things here though, so we've got a few more things to do. So, but basically next we have to take the cluster out because the speedometer cable is still in, and that has to come out. So, fun. Honestly, I only felt like weeks ago that I did this, so yeah. But I mean, these things I've done so many times now, I just know how to do them. I know every screw and bolt and what to look out for, so yep, we just keep on going. So that's it right there. It's basically A31 uses the same as R32 Skyline. So yeah, these are expensive. You want to be careful with them. I think I've replaced like 3 on this car now. Being that it was an automatic, there's like quite a big bend in there, and that's where they're kind of always breaking. But this one's held up for quite a while now and it seems okay. I've made sure that I've just made some new brackets for it so it doesn't bend quite so much. That can go with the rest of those parts there. And to be honest, I think I'm going to leave it at that today. It's a fair bit done. I mean, there's still a lot to be done, a lot of stuff that I'm not too sure about. All these trim pieces is what I'm going to have to get onto tomorrow, but right now I just want to go inside. I thought it was sunny today, but it's not. It's kind of a little bit cold and windy. But hey man, like I'm in shorts and thongs. I'm living that Australian dream right now. But yeah, stoked. Another day, another thing's getting done. Really getting scared because I really want to speak to the painter about getting this done and just locking in a date, because it's just, I feel like I'm just going backwards right now. Yeah, the more things I take off, the more I'm just thinking this is stuff that has to go back on there, but it's going to be all worthwhile in the end. I know it. It's going to be amazing to see this car with new color, and putting on like parts after it's been painted is just the best feeling ever. So I can't wait for that. But yeah, let's leave it at that. So day 2, we are done. The Cefiro is outside, and that's an achievement in itself. So once again, thanks for watching. Later.